The one thing that worries you when you start getting older is what the hell's going to happen to you. I joined the RAF National Service when I was 20, and when the posting came, duck handler. It was great. I thoroughly enjoyed it. It's nearly all night work, you know, patrolling the sites. My wife Claire was Welsh. We had a good life, a really good life. We lived in Greenfield Valley, which is one beautiful piece of nature. And we lived in it, house backed onto the lake. And we got the whole of the valley at the side of us. With 2 German shepherds, it was heaven. It was lovely. And then she became poorly, and it was impossible. Yeah. My wife passed away, and my daughter brought me here, and we had a good look round. And it was everything we wanted. I've said, love me, love my dog. If I don't bring the dog, I don't come. That was it. Without her, I would be totally devastated. All you've got as an old person, and I'm 90 now, is the fear of being on your own. And it's a palpable feel. Loneliness is a terrible thing. And this solves the problem. It allows me to talk about Claire without too much of this. But it's difficult. And this place is a great help. Just fills the bill. You've got friends here, people you can speak to anytime you want. And I can go for a walk around the woods. 4 times a day I go out and take her a walk around the wood. And yeah, she's my best friend. Yeah. With whatever other friends I have, she's my best friend. Yeah.